Friends, today I'm going to show you egg fried rice. For that you need to add oil in the kadai, then add 3 cloves into it, then goes the cinnamon, then add the chopped mint leaves into it, give a nice stir, mix it well. Now add 3 green chilies into it. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 more. Now add the onion and add the salt also while sauteing. Then add the ginger garlic paste and the green peas also. Now mix it well. Now add red chili powder. Then goes the pepper powder. Mix it well. Now add the red chili sauce into it. It gives a good taste for the fried rice. Now add the egg. Mix it well, stir it well. Now add the boiled rice into it. You can check the salt after mixing it and add if you want. Mix it well. This is very simple dish. You people can enjoy it. Thank you for watching my